Hey everyone. So I'm gonna upload a video today. This Whitney Wisconsin thing has to be one of the worst decisions of my life. But I mean, I was 18. I thought that if I was just myself, people would accept me. But they don't. Everyone hates me. Everyone hates me. And like, part of me wanted to get a normal job and be kind of normal, so I got a part-time job at Victoria's Secret. And customers would go up to my boss and they told her who I was and what I did online, and she ended up firing me because that didn't look good on her store or something. So like, I could never have a normal job. I just feel so alienated. Everyone around town knows who I am now. Like, I can't even go to Walmart without being noticed as the dog fucker. I can't even get my fucking groceries without hearing, like seeing someone point or hearing someone talk about me. Like, they whisper, they talk about me. I hear you. Like, I see you. I know you're talking about me. It's just so hard trying to live a normal life and have this going on in the background. You know? You know, I applied to Harvard University. Yep. My SAT scores were off the charts, but they said due to my online activities and my YouTube channel, they can't accept me. So, yeah. Like, I have no friends anymore. When I try to hang out with people, they are cool at first until they figure out who I am, and then it's like, ugh, I'm the most disgusting person they've ever met. Like, they want nothing to do with me. Just because of what I do online, like, just because. And relationships are almost impossible. Like, it's hard enough to date, let alone date as Whitney Wisconsin. Like, it's pretty much impossible. Sorry, I dropped the camera. I got it back up. But yeah, like, dating is not. Like, I'll get with a guy and things will be cool at first, but as soon as he finds out who I am, he wants something to do with me. Like, I just become his gossip, like, with his friends, and he leaves me. Like, he just calls me all the names, you know, slut, whore, dog, fucker, all that. So, like, dating's not even fucking possible. It's just a cycle that never ends. All because I wanted to post a nude on Reddit. I can't even go back to, like, my home city where I'm from, where I grew up with. Everybody knows me there. Everybody goes out of their way to fuck with me there. So I'm stuck, like, alone. I'm stuck. I can't go back. I can't change it. I'm just stuck. I've lost family over this. I've lost friends over this. I've lost everything over this. I wish I could do things differently.